Yes, I. I'm so emotional as I record this message. Reading all your wishes coming from across the world for me, I am overwhelmed with your love. What can a mother ask on Mother's Day than her children sending her love? What can a mother who is fighting right now for her children against all odds, against every difficulty, who is breathing, living every second of her life just for her babies? When she receives wishes like this on a Mother's Day, they just mean something completely different. You know, I have received wishes from all of you on every Mother's Day, and every Mother's Day has been very special. You have completed my life by making me your ma. But yesterday was different because we are going through a time where I realize that it is just Baba and this mother of yours who is going to be all around you, in front of you, behind you, above you, around you, below you, beneath you, everywhere, protecting you, praying for you, chanting for you, and bringing you out of this. And when I feel so connected to now, all of you nowadays, I can't even explain how connected I feel. I've always said to you that I pray for you, chant for you, send you protection, energies. But the way I have been connected over the last 20 days is so different. It's at a different level, if I may say, a different realm of existence. I know that my heartbeat is connected to your heartbeat. I know that the chanting of my soul is reaching your soul. I know every prayer is protecting you. The moment I start chanting, I know those vibrations are all around you. And the mother's heart is just expanding right now, it just is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, holding more and more love. Blessed by Baba. In his feet I am today, that I could be this mother to you in this birth. When I chose not to be a mother, I didn't know I would be blessed with such beautiful children in my life. So many of you, so beautiful. This message is from your mother's heart to say thank you, to tell you that I really love you. And I am not going to let you down 1 second of this. I'm with you every moment, every day. And we're going to get out of this together in Baba's feet, chanting, praying, and healing ourselves. Don't stop your chakra cleansing. Don't stop your prayers. Come what may, your healer is first. Do everything it takes to keep yourself in good energies. And Baba is all around you, weaving his magic. He will not let any harm come to you or your families, and you need to trust that. The most important thing today is to let go the fear and bring the faith up high. Remember, both words start with the word F, the alphabet F. The fear of F has to be absolutely subdued and killed, destroyed. And that F of faith has to loom large and high in our sky. All we should be able to see is faith and faith and faith. See, today we are all like those little leaves on the tree. The wind is blowing hard, turbulent, getting stormier by the day. But these leaves are not going to fall if they hold on with faith to their tree, their Baba. Only those leaves which get weak due to fear, due to circumstances, due to things around, dark energies around, they will crumble and fall. We are not those crumbling leaves. We are Baba's healer army, the most powerful army in the whole world today, trust me. People are struggling for life. We are blessing with life. People are struggling for breaths. We are sending oxygen and breaths to them. We are powerful because Baba is inside us. His energy, his Shakti right now is at a different level inside us. We are not weak. I don't want any one of you breaking down, any one of you crying. I just want to see strength right now. One word, strength. Next word, faith. Third word, pray. Just pray. Just chant. Just send out such good vibration to the cosmos that magic happens. In the last 12-14 days, we have chanted 14.25 million times Baba's name. The Sai Ram mantra has been chanted 14.25 million times. 51,000 Hanuman Chalisas, unlimited Mahamrityunjay mantras and other mantras. We are flooding the cosmos. things will change, they have to. It is not an option. It has to. How can Baba's name, which fills up the cosmos, not destroy one uh, lame, useless virus? It has no strength in front of us. Dare not even touch us. Don't you worry. You are in Baba's shield and stay like that. I want this mother's heart, in addition to the wishes you have sent me, asks for your strength today. And I must dedicate this message to all the teams that are working with me. Oh my God, they talk about Corona warriors. I have the biggest warriors in the world. We are facing death the whole day. Every day we are looking at how many people are lost. We are seeing devastation. And the spirit and strength you people around me are showing, I bow my head to you, my children. I am proud that I could be a mother to children like you. This time shall pass. When we look back years later, we will remember during this difficult time how many of us gave up and sat down crying, moved into our shelters and shells, and how many of us chose to be warriors of strength, of Baba's strength. How many of us chose to make this time a transformational time, not for us but for the world. And all the teams who work with me, you're doing that every day. With every little seva and effort you do during this time, you're adding up millions of blessings into your own life and into the world. I am proud to be the mother of this family. I'm blessed to be a part of you. Mothers, they are grateful for the children they get in their life. Look at the number of children I have got in my life. I'm in gratitude and I send out love to you, children. I send out love to you from my heart. And we will do this together. No harm will come to anybody. We're going to sail through this unscathed, beautiful, because our Baba is holding us. And when Baba is there, there is nothing to fear. Only smile, stay happy, stay healthy. And I'm going to be connected to you, heart, soul, energy, and otherwise. Sending love. Blessings. Ya Sai, Ya Sai, Ya Sai.